Check and clear the drain holes in your air conditioning unit to prevent water buildup and avoid interior damage. Start by cutting power to the unit at the breaker and removing the access panel so you can see the condensate pan and drain holes clearly. Use a flashlight and remove loose debris like leaves, pine needles, and insect nests by hand or with a soft brush. Be gentle to avoid bending metal or dislodging components. If you see mud or slime, soak the area briefly with a mixture of 1 part distilled white vinegar to 3 parts water to break down organic buildup, then use a cloth or a soft stick to wipe the mud away. Avoid metal tools that could gouge the pan. For the drain holes themselves, first try flushing from the inside out with a gentle stream of water to push debris toward the outside. If that does not clear them, insert a plastic-coated wire or a flexible nylon brush about 2 to 4 inches and twist gently until the hole opens. After clearing, run a steady trickle of water through the drain path and watch for free flow at the exterior termination point to confirm there are no downstream clogs. Finish by drying the pan with a clean cloth, replacing the access panel, restoring power, and scheduling a follow-up inspection in 3 months during high-use season to catch recurring issues early. Common problems start with neglected external screens that trap leaves and grit causing slow drains, which you can fix by cleaning the screen monthly and trimming vegetation around the unit to reduce debris. Another frequent issue is compacted mud or algae that forms a seal over the drain holes, and the remedy is a targeted vinegar soak and gentle mechanical loosening with a soft stick or brush rather than harsh scraping. A third concern is a blocked line farther down the drainage path where flushing from the pan does not produce flow at the outlet, so use a garden hose from the exterior termination back toward the unit or call a technician if the line resists clearing to avoid forcing water into electrical areas. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work by connecting people with professionals who handle preventive maintenance like drain clearing. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post real experience about maintaining air conditioning systems.